Go home happy with the 2014 Toyota Sienna. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This Toyota Sienna has the features your family needs to make the most of every road trip. Safe, powerful, smooth, and quiet. It's a calm oasis in your busy life. Navigate the highways and byways in confidence, while the latest infotainment tech and creature comforts keep your passengers relaxed, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, third row seat, dual zone AC, rear AC, power driver seat, alarm. Safe and secure never felt so stylish. Come in and see how much fun it is to drive this luxurious Sienna. Our professional staff will tailor the experience to meet your particular needs.